Guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm making a healthy chutney. It's not only healthy, it's very delicious. It is onion coconut chutney. It requires very less ingredients and time. Now let's see how to make it. Adding oil to the pan. Adding urad dal and chana dal. I love the taste that it gives to the chutney, so most of my chutney recipes I add these two. So let it brown a little bit. Now I'm going to add dried red chilies and garlic. To this I'm going to add some Asafoetida. So I'm going to saute this for about a minute. Next I'm going to add onions, salt, and I'm going to saute this till the onions become translucent. So the onions have become translucent. Now I'm going to cool this down and I'm going to transfer it to mixie or food processor. So I've added it in a mixie. I'm going to add some coconut. And I'm adding some tamarind, just like an inch. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine chutney. So onion coconut chutney is ready. I'm going to have a taste of it. Wow. Sweet, spicy, beautiful. So delicious and a very healthy, so delicious and a healthy chutney. Definitely try it out, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.